The all-in-one PC is sold to many countries and is designed to allow the user to choose the Windows language according to their region at the first power-up. As such, they will need to complete the initial Windows configuration and then install Smartworks MFP software and the appropriate Canon printer driver for their region using the supplied USB memory stick. Please refer to the user documentation that was supplied with the system. Assembly instructions for M40 stand with all-in-one, M-series with all-in-one user instructions, Smartworks MFP all-in-one quick start guide. This video covers the initial power-up, Windows configuration and the software installation of the all-in-one PC. Please also see the all-in-one installation tips document available from the Colortrac support website. Number 1. Do not connect the all-in-one to a network during the Windows setup. This is to prevent pending Windows updates being installed which would cause delays to the install process. Number 2. Power on. Number 3. Select language. Number 4. License. Number 5. Personalize. Number 6. Settings. Number 7. User accounts. Number 8. Wait. Number 9. To optimize the performance of the all-in-one, turn off Windows updates. Windows updates can be enabled later when the time allows the all-in-one to be busy updating. Turn off sleep mode. Set the power settings to high performance. In the system's power settings, select the advanced settings. Under processor power management, set the minimum processor state to 100%. Turn off Bluetooth. During the MFP software driver installation, please be patient and do not try to force this process. It can result in the display of multiple installation windows which would cause confusion. Insert the USB stick. Open the folder. Double-click autorun. Select Install. Load USB driver as prompted. Load HASP driver. Load Smartworks MFP. Select printer, USA or EU. During the printer driver installation, choose Install with USB connection, so the printer driver will install without needing to detect the printer. Install the Canon Windows printer driver. Install Canon Direct Print and Share. Install the Canon Media Configuration tool. Install Canon Status Monitor. Exit the installation script. Number 12. Configure the Canon Windows printer driver and set the permissions accordingly. Set printer as default. Set printer security. Connect scanner and printer via USB. Number 13. Ensure the printer is ready and online with paper loaded before opening Smartworks MFP. To optimise the performance of the MFP system, open Smartworks MFP Settings Scanner Preference. Set the eject mode to rear. Open the scanner utilities and set the auto width to display in inches and set the power save time to 60 minutes. We have now completed the installation and we are ready to demonstrate the software. Perform a copy. Perform a copy with preview. Press the question mark button to access the help files. Plus features. The additional features of the Smartworks MFP are available with the Plus version. The Plus version provides the following upgrades: RGB colour editing in preview, multi-page PDF on the fly, scan to PDF-A, print non-Smartworks PDF files via Canon's Direct Print and Share utility, user accounts and job log per user, set input copying, otherwise called collated sets, ability to create and store user paper sizes, 3 selectable JPEG compression ratios. Please contact your reseller to obtain Smartworks MFP Plus software. Do not remove the power recovery software from the all-in-one. If you have problems and need to revert to factory state, you will need to run this software.